by, you can see I'm back in a calendar client over here on the left. In the middle, I have the Calendar Snack app talking to the AWS Calendar Invite server. And then I do have a end user over here, Zach at techvader.com. You can see his email box. I don't believe I'll use him in this demo, but that's what's over here. So let's just stick to the plan. And the plan is to show y'all how this pipeline works. So bit of magic in the pipeline. We use a create command at calendarsnack.com. Again, calendarsnack.com, you go check out, is our free app. This calendarsnack.com service is talking to, in part, the AWS SES box. The box itself is right here. It's talking to a whole bunch of services called the Calendar Invite server, which we're not going to get into. The important point is this Calendar Invite server has APIs in which you're communicating with to the app. So back to the app. The front end app is your personal or business calendar client. So conceptually, when you get into wanting the data to be on the Calendar Invite server itself, you just pull out your calendar client, use a create command, and that data gets into the AWS Calendar Invite server and then is served up via our APIs to visualize them and send calendar invites. This particular box, create at calendarsnack.com, could be your email box when you download the AWS Calendar Invite server and put it in your own AWS account using the AWS simple email service infrastructure. So this demo is based on the fact that I send data here, we ETL it, so we extract, transform, and load it, and then we store it for reassembly when the UID itself is called out. So in this first run, the new part of the pipeline's already been done. This data now is in the AWS Calendar Invite server. And how I prove that to you is right here in this particular game. So let's just go into Minnesota Twins versus Pirates for today, which is for July 12th. You'll see the game data there. And when I go into the edit mode, you'll see that I can put in more data if I want to change it, and it'll show up over here in the AWS Calendar Invite server. So let's just pretend there's a booth change from 871 to 892. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And what's happening here is the data is going to get pushed to the AWS Calendar Invite server, and it's going to get updated here. So let me push the data, and you'll see that the booth now has been updated to 871. Let's go back here to the calendar client, and it's still saying 892. Let's give it one more push. We'll go ahead and grab the data from the AWS Calendar Invite server, and you'll see that it's now the same. It's been updated from 871 to 892. So that's the magic of this pipeline here, is that the pipeline is attached to the personal calendar client of the organizer, and that magic is based on a UID, and the UID itself can be updated at any given time. When it's first put in, it's created as a UID matched to the original UID of the calendar client itself. And then on a +1, we update it. So we actually change it here in the database. And if you already cancel it, we cancel it out of the AWS database. That's it for the demo for now. Thanks.